The National Museum of Korea logged over 3.2 million visitors from January to May, marking a 45% year-over-year surge that puts the institution on pace to shatter its annual attendance record and potentially top 7 million total visitors.
국립중앙박물관에 올해 1월에서 5월 관람객이 320만 명을 넘어섰습니다. 이는 지난해 같은 기간보다 45% 늘어난 수치로 이 추세라면 박물관의 연간 관람객 수 최다 기록을 경신하며 700만 명도 돌파할 수 있을 것으로 보입니다. Well, we're already up there with some of the biggest museums, the most visited museums in the world.
But this is really exciting. For anybody who loves museums, this is really good news. Mm-hmm. And last year, we were already celebrating.
Yes.
I mean, last year, we got 3 million we got almost this number of people. Half of... I'll start again. I've misread my numbers. I'm not very good at maths.
Numbers are always quite tricky.
Yes. So basically, in the same period last year, there were 2.241 million visitors coming to see the museum.
Yep.
But it's 3.255 million right now. So we're already nearly half of last year's record high total in just 5 months, which means we could well break the record again. Last year was a record-breaking year. This year should be a record-breaking year again. And I think my brain is broken.
It's fine. Do you like going to this museum? Have
I
you been?
love this museum.
Yeah, the National Museum of Korea.
Well, not just the National Museum of Korea. What I found going on tour over the decades here in Korea is that every city, every major city has its own national museum, like the National Museum of Gyeongju, of Daegu, and so on. And I've visited not all of them, but a fair few of them, and each one is special in its own way. Of course, the one in Yongsan is the biggest and the brightest and the fanciest, but the other ones are beautiful too. And the great news here, it's not just in Seoul where people are visiting. The National Gyeongju Museum hit 1 million visitors 86 days earlier than last year, which means more people are heading down south as well. People are heading everywhere and going to the museums, and it's really good.
So it wasn't a temporary fad last year with people coming to Korea for these museums.
No, I think certainly K-pop Demon Hunters has helped a lot, but we've seen these increases happening since COVID, more and more people visiting Korea, but also more and more people going to the palaces, going to the museums, being interested in Korean traditional culture.
네, 그렇습니다. 국중박, 국립중앙박물관 올해 1월부터 5월까지 관람객 수가요. 작년 같은 기간에 비해서 무려 45%나 늘었습니다. 작년에도 상당히 많이 이제 갔었죠.
네.
올해는 더 많고요. 특히 이제 외국인 관람객 수가 58% 가까이 늘었다는 것. 물론 내국인 관광객 수가 절대적으로는 더 많긴 하지만 그래도 비율로 봤을 때는 이 증가율도 무시 못하죠. 또 경주박물관 얘기를 방금 해주셨어요. 경주박물관도 마찬가지로 지금 굉장히 많은 분들이 찾고 있는데 100만 명 돌파를 작년에 비해서 86일이나 일찍 달성했다고 합니다. 그래요. 굉장히 좋은 소식이죠. 단순히 그냥 원래 유명했던 그런 관광지들도 좋지만 그런 곳뿐만 아니라 우리의 역사, 우리의 전통을 배울 수 있는 이 박물관을 많이들 찾는다는 거.
Yeah, a passion
좋습니다.
for history is a very positive thing.
Yeah. One of the things I was most impressed about with you, actually, was your knowledge of Korean history, your interest in it.
Well, it's thanks to these museums and also the historians who write books and also the heritage sites that are open that I've been able to learn all of this.
Yeah, but I used to think it was such a rarity for someone who wasn't born and raised here to be interested in it.
Maybe 20 years ago it was. Now I think young people especially are so fascinated in Korean culture, not just K-pop and K-movies, but also K-history.
That's exactly my point. All right, let's have a look at the word institution.
Well, the National Museum of Korea is an institution. So is the National Gyeongju Museum. It's an institution. In fact, we've got lots of institutions all over Korea, and they're not just museums.
Right.
What they are is large organizations or groups or systems or whatever it is that have a purpose.
Sure.
Maybe educational, maybe social, maybe financial, whatever it is. They're doing something particular for a particular cause, for a particular reason. And we often link them to the government, being government, state-sponsored or state-organized. Not always, but in my mind, when I think of an institution, I think of a school or I think of a museum. I think of something that's all about learning or education or society.
많은 경우 그렇죠. 아닌 경우도 있지만 그래서 기관이나 단체, 시설, institution이라고 합니다. In this case, we're just talking about the museum.
Yes.
But instead of repeating the same name, we just prefer to use different terms in English.
Oh, absolutely. It's just to make the language flow better.
Yes. How about it's on pace to doing something?
Well, if you're a regular listener, you've heard many similar expressions, like on track to or on the road to. On pace to, they all mean the same thing. There is a likelihood that they will get to there or they will achieve this. Whatever it is, it's a prediction saying, they probably will get there or they probably will do this.
So on pace to and then verb.
Yes.
So in this case, we have on pace to shatter, which means to break.
Yes.
And we have a record there, of course, after that. 그래서 이렇게 할 것으로 예상이 된다라는 의미로도 넓게는 해석을 할 수 있는데요. On pace to라는 것 자체는 그렇게 할 속도로 지금 가고 있다.
네.
속도란 단어가 들어있죠. 이렇게 할 기세다. 이런 뜻이 되겠습니다. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. The National Museum of Korea logged over 3.2 million visitors from January to May, marking a 45% year-over-year surge that puts the institution on pace to shatter its annual attendance record and potentially top 7 million total visitors. Now let's move on to our second headline.